For this video, I'll be using Brevo. It's beginner friendly, it has all the features I just mentioned, and you can get started for free. Plus, if you use the link on screen or in the description below to sign up, you'll get 50% off if you decide to upgrade. Let me show you what all this looks like in practice. First, let me show you how to get that 50% discount. When you click the sign up link in the description below, you'll land on this page here. Click the Claim My Discount button. Then, follow the prompts to sign up for your account. Once you finish entering your information and verifying both your email and phone number, you'll land on this pricing page here. If you want to start for free, scroll down to the green block and click the Select Free button. But you won't get access to all the features we discussed earlier in this video, like email automation, for example. To get access to those, you'll need the standard plan. Next, you'll need to customize your plan. Select the number of contacts you have, and then select any additional packages you want below. If you want to save an additional 10% per year, change from monthly pricing to annual billing. Then when you're done, click Proceed to Checkout. Now this is important. If you want to claim that 50% discount we mentioned earlier, you'll need to click Add a Coupon Code. Then type in MEDIX50, MEDIX50, and click Apply. And you can see that $9 per month has been removed from our $18 per month standard plan. Go ahead and make sure your billing information is correct, and then follow the prompts to complete your payment. When your payment processes, you'll get a confirmation and you can click Continue. Alright, so this is Brevo. This is what you see when you log in.